Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out a product from this brand, Kaleido Cosmetics, which is a brand that is new to me. And here I have their Astrolight Seen from Space highlighter. And I got this in the shade Flare. And I'm pretty sure I redeemed ipsy points to get this. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and I'm so excited to play around with this and hopefully end up with a very glowy look because I'm going to try mixing this in with my foundation and also apply it on top of my foundation. So the full size of this retails for $17. I saw that it comes in 3 shades, and I think the shade Flare that I have here is the lightest shade, which is perfect for me. So let's check out the applicator. It's got a doe foot applicator. So the instructions say to apply to the high points of your face or mix it in with foundation. And I think it's going to be a little bit tricky to mix in with foundation since it is a doe foot, but I'm going to try my best. Actually, I'm gonna just apply some to my hand and we can also do a little swatch at the same time. But oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, it kind of has like a strong, kind of like chemically smell to it. But that is beautiful, so bright and metallic. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. I feel like this is going to be very pigmented though. So let's try that much to mix in with my foundation, and I'm just going in with the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation. I love this foundation. It's definitely matte, but I love to try it out with other primers and other products because I think it can really change depending on those factors. So we'll do like 1.5 pumps or so. And just with my finger, mixing it all together. Some people will use like a glass palette or something like that to do this type of mixing, but I always just do it on the back of my hand. And I can't really tell from how it looks right here if it has any glow. Any extra glow to it, but that's okay. Since it's not a dropper type of highlighter, I don't think I would typically reach for this to be my mix-in type of highlighter, but just for the fun of it, trying it out today. I feel like my go-to use for this type of highlighter will be more to apply on top of foundation or just on top of my skin. I'm still not really seeing any difference with the glow, but it's not like it seemed to negatively affect the foundation. It's not like I'm having streaking or weird texture or anything like that, but just not the best type of highlighter to mix in. I definitely prefer more of a liquid, like a true liquid dropper highlighter for that purpose. So what do we think now that the foundation is applied? I mean, it has I feel like a little bit of luminosity to it, kind of on the cheeks, but like the forehead, the chin, it's just looking truly matte. So I don't really feel like that actually really changed the foundation. But now let's see how it looks when I apply it on top of the foundation. I'm not even sure what technique I want to go with. Like once again, this doe foot applicator is just kind of throwing me off on how I want to use it. So just putting a little bit on my finger. Actually, that's not a little bit, that's kind of a lot. I'm gonna try just blending it here onto the high points of my cheek. And okay, yes, this is what I was hoping for. Wow, now that is intense and beautiful. Like this texture is really nice. It blends out so easily, but it looks really smooth here over where I have like large pores. It's sitting really nicely on top of the skin. No visible texture. And it definitely is like kind of metallic, but it's not leaving like a streak of glitter. So even though it's really intense, it looks natural because it's such a skin-like texture, and it's just really reflective sheen, not sparkly sheen, which is exactly what I prefer in my highlighters. And I am so impressed by how easy it is to apply. Wow, and this shade is really perfect for my fair skin. Wow, I love that. Okay, I'm also going to try this as a little brow highlight and inner corner highlight because it's so bright and reflective. Like, look at that. I feel like that's going to be perfect in these areas. But wow, a little goes a long way. I could probably have used half as much here because it is so pigmented, which I love to see. So yeah, I definitely think that this is better used on top of foundation and on top of your skin because that is so beautiful. Like, I don't want to cover that up with the foundation or mix it or dilute it with the foundation because it is so beautiful on its own. Such an amazing texture, so reflective. Wow. So look at my skin with it versus without it. This is just so much like lifted, youthful, radiant, but it doesn't look greasy, shiny either. It's just everything I look for in a highlighter. Wow. I kind of want to try the technique now of going directly onto the skin with the doe foot. Let's see how that works. Do like 4 dots maybe? And I still like the technique of using my finger to blend it out. Ooh, I think 4 dots could be the perfect amount. It's not too crazy intense, but you are definitely glowing from those 4 dots. And so easy to blend out. I know I said 4 dots was perfect, but I can't even resist. I just love that. I'm also gonna kind of bring it a little bit lower. Watch as I'm slowly like bringing it lower and lower, and then it's just all over my entire face. But I love this. I just love the shade, the texture, everything about it. I'm so impressed. I just feel like it really gives that ideal skin look where it's radiant, youthful, but not sparkly. So, wow. I highly recommend this. If you can get it in Ipsy for a great deal, I think that would be perfect because it just really is like a perfect highlighter in my opinion. Oh, I'm so excited to continue wearing this, continue having this beautiful, glistening, radiant skin. So if you've tried this out, I definitely want to hear your thoughts on it. Also, since this is my first Kaleido Cosmetics product that I'm trying out, I would love to hear in the comments down below if you have any recommendations for other products from this brand that you enjoy. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.